Hello everyone, my name is Nancy. I am the Queen's Natural Stylist from New York, 126 Merrick Boulevard. Today I'm here with Tammy. We did a class on income and how to formulate to level up in this industry because we shortcome ourselves in this industry, and I felt like this was a lot to learn so that I could level up, make more money, and understand how to format my prices so that I can earn more and put away for retirement and everything else like the taxes and everything. I recommend that everyone should come and check it out because it teaches you how to level up in the business to the next level.
Hey everybody, I hope you guys come and join this class. Tammy's class was amazing today. Kind of worked the fingers today, but you're gonna get it. Learn different techniques. It was really exciting, and hope to come again and join another class. Thank you.
I just took Tammy's Imena two-strand styling class and it was amazing. I didn't know what I was doing with my hair, and since I own a beauty product company, I figured it was time to learn, and I loved it. It was really fantastic. She's warm, she knows what she's doing, so I encourage you to take that class or any of our other classes and join us as part of the Imena network.